In 2026, Tierra Nevada and General Trias has evolved into a mega-communicity. Spanning over 100 hectares, this development is a prime spot for rental income because it sits right at the intersection of progress, connecting General Trias and Dasmariñas via the Arnaldo Highway. House and lot for sale in Tierra Nevada. General Trias, Cavite, clean title and rental ready, 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Lot area 77 sqm, floor area 100 sqm more or less. Spacious 2 bedrooms, with dining, living, kitchen and 1 car garage. With rooftop laundry and drying area. Ground floor with ceramic tiles and second floor with vinyl tiles. With free split type aircon and bed frame, foam. Earn monthly passive income. Flying money house with tenant for sale in Tierra Nevada. GenTri, clean title, prime location. House and lot for sale near CALAX and Lyceum in Tierra Nevada, Cavite. Property highlights. Status. Clean title, updated tax declaration and dues. Investment type. Income generating, currently with reliable tenants. Community. Gated with security, clubhouse, swimming pool, and basketball courts. Neighborhood. Italian-inspired enclaves with lush, tree-lined parks. Strategic location and accessibility. Major roads. Direct access via Arnaldo Highway, Governor's Drive, and Open Canal Road. Connectivity. Only 15 to 20 minutes to the CALAX Silang, Governor's Drive Interchange and CAVITEX. Education hub. Minutes away from Lyceum of the Philippines University, LPU, Cavite, De La Salle Dasmariñas, and Georgia Academy. Shopping. Near Vista Mall, General Trias, SM City Dasmariñas, and Robinson's Place. Why invest in Tierra Nevada in 2026? 1. High rental demand. Due to its proximity to Lyceum, Cavite and the Gateway Business Park, there is a constant stream of students and professionals looking for quality housing in the area. 2. Infrastructure boom. With CALAX and the ongoing Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge developments, property values in General Trias have seen a steady annual appreciation of 8 to 12%. 3. The communicity concept. Tierra Nevada isn't just a subdivision, it's a township. Having commercial centers, churches, and schools within the community keeps the resale value high and the vacancy rate low. 4. Flood-free elevation. General Trias remains one of the safest areas in Cavite regarding natural disasters, making it a legacy investment for your family. For tripping PLs, call +6391750174741 Viber and WhatsApp.